Absolutely stunning, guys. This is definitely recommend you do this walk.
Hi everyone and welcome to Puck's Glen in the Highlands. It's a lively highland burn and it plunges down a cascade of enchanting waterfalls. The Glen is named after Puck, a mischievous spirit who haunts many legends and appears in William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream. So enjoy everyone, it's a fantastic hike and highly recommend you do it if you're visiting the area.
So as you can see, the initial walk up is quite steep.
Off slightly. Yeah, come on, right, close this side, mate. We're protecting it, isn't it?
Yeah. And you can see part of the valley below us. As we keep walking up the top of Puck's Glen before we make our way back down Puck's Glen and hopefully along the side of the stream. Look at the roots on the tree. The tree's down here. So now we are at the top of Puck's Glen. And the plan is we're going to walk around it, then decide whether to go to the viewpoint, and then walk down Puck's Glen all the way back down to the car park. And then it's just started to rain. Typical Scottish weather. So here's the view from the top of Puck's Glen. Look at the cloud formations there, guys. The clouds passing over. Stunning, isn't it? Absolutely stunning. There's cloud on the top of the hill over there. So you'll know when you get to the viewpoint because you'll see the marker. It clearly says there's the viewpoint at the top. Definitely worth having that little extra bit of a walk because it's not actually that high when you get to the top of Puck's Glen to actually walk up here to the viewpoint, so I'd highly recommend you do it, even if you don't want to walk the long route and carry on all the way around the woodland. We're not doing that, so what we're doing, folks, is we're heading back to the red route and then we're going to walk down Puck's Glen. We chose to do that rather than walking up Puck's Glen. Right guys, we're now walking down Puck's Glen in the land of the fairies.
They're good up here. Some people are good at protecting their caches.
Yeah,
so they don't get wet.
Yeah, they've got to. What? Someone else coming?
No.
Oh my god. I can't see better what you're down here, is it? Look at that, guys.
Get underneath, get your ponytail out.
Look at this weeping wall. How amazing is that? Water's just running down it. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Ah. Absolutely stunning, guys. This is, definitely recommend you do this walk. Obviously we're walking down it, but yeah, either down or up, it's going to be pretty spectacular. Hiya. Yeah, it's stunning. Yeah, it's very stunning. All the way up, stunning, all the way up. Yeah. Yeah, absolutely stunning this is, guys. Absolutely stunning. Definitely worth your time. Sediment there. Put it off then. Just my skin. Well, bridge for photo, guys, because that's. There's one singular seat if you need a rest on the way up. Look how the logs have fallen down Pucks Glen. I mean, it's just it's just video after video here. There's waterfalls all the way down Pucks Glen. Absolutely stunning. Look at the stones here, the rock. Look how metallic it is. And shiny. I know it's wet, but even still. Look pretty amazing. I think it's worth a photo. That's it, folks. We're at the bottom now of the falls. Absolutely amazing place. Absolutely amazing. So that's it. We are now at the end of Pucks Glen Gorge. What an absolutely stunning place. You've got to do it, folks. If you're in the area, you've got to do it, and it's free. You don't pay a penny for it. Definitely worth your time. Absolutely stunning. With a low cloud, it just makes it even more stunning, in my opinion.
So massive thanks for watching. We really enjoyed this hike. It's a fantastic, magical place, and I highly recommend you visit. We even saw a red squirrel at the end, but unfortunately I didn't catch it on camera. So please check out the gold members of the channel. Thanks for your support, guys. Really do appreciate it. And also go and subscribe to my channel and check out the playlist. Thank you and goodbye.